Hey everyone! Today I'm teaching you how to make an incredibly simple yet delicious snack. Crispy cheesy scallion pancakes. No yeast needed, no oven required, and totally beginner friendly. I promise you're going to love it. Let's start with our dough. I have 95 milliliters of water in my bowl, and I'm adding a tiny pinch of salt, about 1.5 grams, and stirring until it dissolves. Then pour in 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Give it a quick stir, and once it starts coming together, just use your hands to knead it. Just knead it into a smooth ball of dough. Super simple, right? If it's a bit shaggy at first, don't worry. Just keep kneading and it'll become nice and smooth. Once done, let the dough rest on the counter for 10 minutes. This will make it much easier to work with later. After resting, gently flatten the dough and cut it into 4 equal pieces. We're going to shape each piece into a small ball. See how I'm doing it? Just pinch and roll until you have a smooth little dough ball. Once all 4 are done, cover them with a lid or a damp towel and let them rest for another 15 minutes. Oh, which country are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. While the dough is resting, let's prep our fillings. Here, I have 40 grams of chopped scallions, and I'm adding a tiny pinch of baking soda and mixing it in. This step is optional, but it keeps the scallions nice and green during cooking. Also, get 50 grams of shredded cheese ready. You can use any cheese you like. In a small bowl, mix 30 grams of flour and 30 grams of cornstarch. This is our non-stick powder. Sprinkle some on your work surface, place 1 dough ball on it, press it down with your hand, then use a rolling pin to roll it into a small round pancake about 18 centimeters. Do this with all 4 dough balls. Don't worry if they're not perfectly round. Then stack all 4 small pancakes together, sprinkling some of our non-stick powder between each layer. Then roll the entire stack together into 1 large pancake about 28 centimeters across. Because of the non-stick powder, you can easily peel the layers apart afterward. Magic, right? Now we have 4 large thin pancakes. Take one of the large thin pancakes and brush it with melted butter. About 20 grams, just microwave for 15 seconds to melt. Then evenly sprinkle the scallions and shredded cheese all over it so you get deliciousness in every bite. I'll show you 2 ways to fold it. 1. Simple envelope style. Just like wrapping a gift, fold the 4 edges toward the center to form a square package. 2. Flower petal style. Make a few small cuts around the edge of the circle, then fold each section toward the center to create a beautiful flower. Heat a pan over low heat and add a bit of oil. When you put the pancake in, you'll hear that wonderful sizzling sound. Fry for about 2 minutes on each side until golden and crispy. Just look at that golden, crispy exterior. Inside is soft dough, melty cheese, and fragrant scallions. Crispy outside, tender inside, with stretchy cheese and amazing flavor. These cheesy scallion pancakes are truly simple and delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!